Hello guys, welcome to Gadget. The Galaxy S10 will debut in January next year, while the Galaxy X folding phone will come to MWC 2019. Korean news sources claims that Samsung is prepping to launch a Galaxy S10 flagship in January 2019. The reports also alleged that MWC 2019, which takes place in February, will see a flexible folding OLED phone, possibly the Samsung Galaxy X, as the star of the show. The word comes via Korean publication The Bell, which states that Samsung has been in contact with manufacturing and component supply partners with a request to provide parts by November 2018, giving time for production to gear up for a launch at the beginning of 2019. Allegedly, the Galaxy X folding phone has had its codename changed from Valley to Winner, which is being cited as an indication the project has been moved from concept and towards production. As far as the Galaxy S10 is concerned, the report suggests it'll debut at CES 2019 or at a standalone event during the same month. In our view, the latter seems more likely given Samsung's past habits. The Galaxy S10 news is interesting, but we find it difficult to get excited about the Galaxy X allegations, considering we've been hearing the same thing for several years now and nothing of the sort has actually occurred. What's more important is, this is the latest batch of info to suggest that Samsung will, for now, keep its Galaxy S flagship line distinct from its folding OLED plans. If a flexible and folding OLED Galaxy handset does indeed launch, it will be its own device and not also the Galaxy S10. For the Galaxy S10 specs and features, not a great deal is known at this point. However, it is thought that Samsung will likely build more on the camera of the Galaxy S9 series. The variable aperture will likely stay. However, there's talk of Samsung working with Israeli firm Mantis Vision on some kind of 3D camera. Samsung's been rumored to make early year launches with previous Galaxy S flagships, and usually they end up arriving between late February and sometime in April or May. Although a January launch isn't outside the realms of possibility, we'd expect this to be the current plan, but one that will likely face delays as Samsung tries to implement new features during the coming months. A big question will surely be whether or not we'll finally see an in-display fingerprint scanner embedded inside the screen panel. This was rumored on several of the Samsung's recent phones and hasn't appeared due to technical difficulties. However, several OEMs and component suppliers have now produced working examples, so it is plausible Samsung could get something working this time. Aside from this, we'd once again expect a large edge-to-edge 18.5 by 9 aspect ratio Super AMOLED Infinity display, as well as a new flagship CPUs from Samsung's own Exynos brand and Qualcomm's Snapdragon. One thing which needs attention though is battery. The Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus was the pinnacle of Samsung's battery performance to date. The Galaxy Note 8 was not quite as good, though still decent, where the Galaxy S9 series batteries took another turn for the worse. We'd like to see Samsung reclaiming its battery life crown. It's also not clear from these new rumors whether there will be also a Galaxy S10 Plus alongside a smaller Galaxy S10. If Samsung is bringing a new Galaxy Note and Galaxy X in the same year, it might look to simplify the portfolio, particularly as the Galaxy S Plus handsets from the last couple of years has been about the same size and feature set as the Galaxy Note. So might it be called the Samsung Galaxy X? This is entirely possible. X means 10 after all. And Apple called its latest iPhone the iPhone X. So it is more than possible that Samsung could use this branding for its 10th Galaxy S update. Either way, we're not going to know anything definite for a long time. Still, the Imagine and 4K OLED panel are certainly interesting topics for thought. So too is the idea of a name change. What do you think? Leave us your thought in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and also subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.